Okay, so this is my plan, or my contingent plan. So as you can see here, I have decided to make a very bold choice and painting this fence black. I left part of the fence as is because I think my contractor is going to be using this to like spray paint cabinets and things of that nature. So this is probably going to be step 4 in my process of getting this backyard area together. So I'll go over with you what I'm thinking, where I feel like the ancestors are moving me. So over here is step 1 that I first started in my little swinging papasan area. I'm gonna have some plants in the back. As you see, the banana tree that I bought is dying. I know I'm a bad plant mom, so I'm trying to learn how to take care of that. My Ross trip, and I'll show you some footage from that. I got these pillows. I plan on putting those elsewhere, but I'll just store them out here for now. So this is stage 1, or area 1. This corner here is going to be area 3. I mean 3 as far as the order I'm going in to get things together. I have some metal chairs I have in my garage, and I'm gonna put them over here, hopefully get some like flowers to put in that trellis. And I'm looking for a nice little table, or tall bistro table that I could put in that area to be a seating area. This area is going to be step 4. And as you can see, I got this chimenea, which I absolutely love, this terracotta look. I got it from Home Goods, and seems like they were kind of disappearing, so I just felt like I had to get one while I could. So this is step 4. This is probably the last area, like I said, I'm going to work on. And this is step 2, the area that I'm putting in now. I've ordered some things that I plan on installing soon once they get here. And I think this is going to take a good chunk of the time, given what my quote-unquote vision is. And of course, it took some time to paint this fence black. And I know it may look a little crusty, but trust the process. I think I might be somewhat successful in the outcome of this, but yeah, so that's where I am focused on right now. So it should be kind of 4 key areas. I'm planning on having as seating areas in this backyard. And so right now I'm working on what I consider number 2. Number 4 will be the last, hopefully once the contractor is finished. Number 1 is mostly complete, except for some addition of some plants. And then number 2, or it would be number 3 with this area here, a bar stool area. This might be a 5th one. I would like to have like a grill or some type of like outdoor, like a cabinet for like food and picnic type things. So I would like to have that here, but we'll see how that goes. And then the area I'm working on now. So that is my plan, and let's see how it goes.